of you. My name is Eva and I am here to tell you about the importance of English language in our personal and professional life. Learning English language does not mean that we should forget our mother tongue. We must respect our mother tongue, but along with that, we have to respect the languages being spoken in different states of our country and around the world. Today we need English because English has become the medium of communication in personal and professional life. In our personal life, we can use mother tongue, but in our professional life, if we use English, we can get much success in any field. I had to face a lot of problems in my life too because I was not good at English. I had many certificates, degrees, qualification, my academics were good, but in spite of that, I couldn't get a good job because my communication skill was weak. I was worried that all my degrees, certificates, qualification, academics, everything was getting useless just because my English was not good. So I suggest you to start practicing English because English has become very essential to get achievement or become successful in life. As I got rejected from many jobs, I decided to learn English first and then go further. What I did, I started listening all the speeches delivered in English. I started speaking in English with my family members. I started writing in English and I started reading the books which were written in English. I improved my English by doing these 4 practices. You start practicing it from today itself. Many students tell me, ma'am, I have scored 99% marks in English. लेकिन वो sufficient नहीं है. You are learning English to pass the examination, but it is not the way to learn English. You should learn the language. If you learn the language, you can pass any entrance exam, school exam or college exam. You learn English from grammar book, vocabulary, pronunciation book, dictionaries, join many courses to learn English. These are the foundation. Foundation दिखाई नहीं देता. दिखाई क्या देता है? The way you communicate, the way you express your views in better way. I want to tell you that first learn English as a language, not for exam. I suggest you to spend at least 1 hour daily on practicing English. What you have to do, you start listening English, writing English, reading and communicating in English. These practices will definitely improve your English. I hope you have understood why English is important and how can